Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a drawing based on the theme yellow, orange and nature. We'll start by making a curved Y shape and then we'll make a curve going from its middle point. Next, we are going to make bush type of structures in between to make the petals. Here we are making hibiscus flower. We'll make two long lines and some shorter lines coming from them. We'll make circle on top of them. We are doing this to show the pollen of the flower. Next, we are going to make leaves. These are the same as rose leaves, only the size is a little bigger. Zigzag pattern and then veins. Next, we are going to make this curve a U and then a flower type of structure on top. We are going to make a thinner stem on the bottom. Next, we are going to color the flower. We'll start by using orange brush pen to make the center, to color the center, and we'll use yellow to color the rest of the petal. You can also use red color. After doing this, I am merging the orange and yellow color using my blender. Now I'm shading the edges using my orange brush pen. Next, we'll color this line using orange brush pen and we'll make some orange dots. I'm outlining the leaf using dark green brush pen and the veins too. And I'm coloring the leaves using light green brush pen. I'm coloring the stem using light green as well. And the center part, that is the flower type of part, with dark green. And I am doing some shades of yellow. Next, I am making an autumn leaf, which is also yellow. First, a cross, then two curves, another two curves, and we'll take the bottom two curves down to make a short stem type of structure. Then from the points we'll make curve and then we'll join them with the upper structure. Next, we are going to erase the extra lines and make curve patterns. And you'll erase the extra lines again. We'll color it using yellow brush pen. It is an autumn leaf, so it can be a little orange or brown. I've shaded it with a little bit of green. Next, we are going to make veins using orange color pencil. First, we'll make a line with the orange color pencil in the middle and take several other orange lines from it. Next, I'm making some shadows using my pencil to give it a realistic look, and then blend it with a Q-tip. Next, I'm making the shadow, the thin structure, and color it. Next, I'm making a water droplet. For that, we will make a circle and shade it inside on the right side and shade it outside the circle on the left side. Next, we're going to blend using a Q-tip and our pencil. Next, I'm making some dots using my white paint. Can use white acrylic markers too. I've also made a drop on a petal of our hibiscus, and now I'm writing hibiscus in calligraphy. We will color these doubled portions. Next, we are going to color them. We can also color them using thick marker so that our work is faster. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and bye. These are the things you will need to make the hibiscus drawing.